Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, folks, welcome back. We're looking at 25%, 50%, and 75%. Rather than making three separate videos, I'll put them all together here, so hopefully it'll be a bit more quicker and easier. So what is 25%? Let's have a look. 25% means, oops, wrong color. 25% means 25 out of 100. Now, if we simplify this fraction by dividing top and bottom by 25, it will simplify down to 1/4. So 25% of something is really a quarter. Now, if you want to work out a quarter of something, what we do, we divide by 4. Divide by 4. Now, if you look at 50%, now 50% means 50 out of means divide by 100. If we simplify that by dividing top and bottom by 50, we get a half. So 50% of anything is simply a half of something. And to work out half, what do we do?
You have to divide it by 2.
You halve it by 2. Now 75% actually is connected or related to 25%. Now 75% is really 75 over 100. If you divide top and bottom by 25, that will give you 3/4. Now, do we know how to work out 1/4?
Yes.
So first of all, we work out 1/4, which is divided by 4 for the top line. And then to work out 3/4, then we times it by 3. Okay, now just to top it all off, we're going to give you 3 examples, one example for each one. And let's see how that goes. Examples on grey. So we have to calculate 25% of 400. So what's that going to be? So that's going to be what? 400. We divide it by 4, and that'll give you 100. Now in this question, we didn't have to use the bus stop method, but you can for more complicated numbers. We just done it like that, nice and quickly, manually. Next question. I want you to calculate 50% of 62. 50% of 62 means 62 divided by 2, half it, which gives us, someone to give us 31. Nice and straightforward question, yeah? We don't need to do any big method for that. Next one. We need to calculate 75% of 80. So, let's have Mr. Ilyas. But how do we do that? The method says divide by 4 first and then time by 3. Let's try that now. Let's change color a bit. So we need more space. We're going to get 80. We're going to divide it by 4 and then times it by 3. What is 80 divided by 4? And then times that by 3 gives us
60.
So 75% of 80 is equal to 60. So there's our 3 answers. One here, and I think 60 is about to fall off the end of the screen. Let me just rewrite that. Let me move it across. Okay, sorry about that, folks. Let's just rub that out. Okay, and rub that one out as well. It doesn't look very good there. It's squashed. 60. Done. So second answer, first answer, and the third answer. That's better. Are we happy with what 25% means?
Yeah.
25%, we're talking about quarter of the item. 50% is half. 75% is 3/4. So to work out 25%, we divide by 4. To work out 50%, we divide by 2. And 75%, what do we do?
You divide it by
4 and then
times by 3.
That's it. Okay, lovely. Thank you very much for joining us on this video. We're going to give you some questions for you to do now. I'll put them at the top over here for you. Okay, here we go. I want you to work out 25, 50, and 75% of the following numbers. So you got that? That one number, I want you to do 3 questions on it. Work out 25. Actually, just work out 25% of this one, actually. And work out 50% of 900. And work out 75% of 1600. So you got your 3 questions there. I want to see the calculation, what you done. I want to see how you did it, what you divided by. So please, can you get on with that question now?